In this video I'm writing code to reverse a string, reverse a stack using recursion. Reverse the stack using recursion. Starting with that, reverse a stack using recursion Java. Okay, simply I'm writing a stack of strings This is our stack, and if I pop and print it right now, it will print that my name is Anurag Anand, but if I reverse it, then it should come as Anand Anurag is name my. So private static void for reverse the stack final deck string stack. We will be using two different recursion stacks. So basically we are using a stack, but we are using the stack of the Java virtual machine. We are not creating our own stack. Void reverse the stack second time if a stack is empty, then return without an issue. Otherwise final string value is equal to stack dot remove first, which is equivalent of calling pop, and reverse the stack so the effect of this two code is that we have put this value in second stack, and in this recursion stack, and the value right now is Anand is at the top, then is Anurag, then name, and then my. So we have reversed the stack in the recursion stack. But if we try to add this value in this sequence again in the stack, we will get the same exact sequence that we have here. So we need to now invert this or reverse this recursion stack by using another recursion stack. So this is inception over here, stack dot value and if stack is empty, then add the value, then add first value, otherwise final string current value is equal to stack dot remove first. So what are we doing? For every insertion call, we are emptying or removing entire element from the stack variable and putting it in the recursion stack of this reverse the stack second time. So this is the solution question. This is the problem we are solving. This is going to be a stack value, and after that stack dot add first current value. So we have reverted the stack variable data over here, then we are adding that one by one back to the stack variable. But the issue is that if we do that, we will end up with the exact same sequence that we have here, so our stack won't be reversed. To do that, we are again, you can see that this is the exact same code in the first reverse the stack function, that we are again emptying the entire stack over here, that is we are again emptying the entire stack in the recursion stack of this function, and every new value is added, every new value is added at the first added only when the stack is empty. So this is the stack reversal, and if I go here and say and reverse this stack, and while stack is not empty, so I have got a stack overflow at line number 33. Because I have to say return over here, so stack hasn't reversed. No, stack has reversed because if we for example stack has reversed, I guess. If we call the same function over here, we'll get the different prints. You can see that. So stack has reversed. You see that we had different order of print over on the top before reversal and after reversal. So stack has reversed, and in the case that this is the add first, so when we pop, Anand is going to be printed first without reversal, but after reversal my is printed first. So this is how we reverse a stack using recursion. And when we say recursion, we are actually using a stack of the virtual machine or the system or the processor. So thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.